All right, good morning, everybody. Welcome to another round of Coffee and Questions. What's today's topic? I'm going to talk about a use that you can have for one of these Harbor Freight steel service carts. Let me show you a picture. Okay, now they're fairly cheap, right? So let's say you got one and you want to modify it. I pulled a picture off of a web where somebody really modified the hell out of it, and let me show you that picture. Okay, now out of the club, we were sitting around talking about, hey, this thing can be, a pretty good deal for like, around 40 bucks. And yeah, you can modify it, but then you got to add in the cost of modifying it because somebody said, well, you might want to put better casters on there. You might want to add this, you might want to do that, and that causes the cost to spiral on you. And then somebody said, well, look at these. I got a couple of pictures off of the web that somebody made it into a mobile welding table. And I thought, no, that's a clever idea. And somebody goes, but that could really drive up the cost too. Well, I checked around, and it depends on what area that you live in. But let's say you wanted to make a mobile welding table. You might be like me where you have limited space and things have got to be mobile. And I thought, well, there's a way that you can do this. Now, the first thing is Home Depot and a lot of these places sell paver bricks. They're fairly cheap. Let me show you an ad. Out there, I mean, there are Lowe's and places like that, you can buy paver bricks from. And the first kind of pushback when we were talking is like, well, you need to get fire brick. No, you don't. You don't need fire brick at all. If you just got these inexpensive paver bricks, let's say, and you lined them up on the top of the cart, okay, and then from there, you build kind of like a steel top to it. Now, that's where things are going to cost you a little bit more because you want a nice thick, piece of plate steel or decent gauging. And one way I would tell you to do it is go around or call around to your local steel suppliers. Now, there's 3 out here in the valley where I live, and 2 of them have got a fairly decent, call it a remnant pile, where like they get big orders, and a lot of these orders, things are cut and then they're delivered, and so those cutoffs, they throw them in a pile for recycling, or they're stacked up over to the side, and you can go out and you can go through that and you can buy them at a discount because they're cutoffs. And there's one supplier, he still wants to charge the same rate, but a lot of them will sell them at a discounted price. Find yourself a good piece of plate steel. Get an old bed frame from somewhere, from like a lot of these donation places. Sometimes they're just going to throw them out because the bed frames aren't any good. And I know there's an Angel View here in the valley where I've gone there before, and they just let me have them for free or next to nothing. So you can use the angle iron and to create the frame, and then you can put that piece of plate steel like on top of it. And you can make yourself a pretty decent welding table. And I thought it was a really good idea. It's something worth considering. Call around and figure out, your cost between, whether or not you can get the bed frames, the plate steel, and the brick. And I didn't think it was that expensive of a modification to make, and it would make a very handy tool to have in your shop or your garage. So, kind of a fast video here. I showed you some pictures of it. If you know of something better, drop it in the comment below. And if you got a better idea, drop it in the comment below. I know these service carts are modified in a whole bunch of different ways for a bunch of different reasons, but this video I was focusing in on how to make a fairly inexpensive welding table. Okay, folks, I want to thank everybody. I know it was a quick video. Drop a comment below if you know something better or a better idea, and then we'll take a look at it. Anyway, I hope to see you on the next video. You folks have a great day. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.